All right, folks, 11.8 kilograms worth of gas just went out. Fatima is right in the middle of making spaghetti. Baby, making chicken spaghetti or tuna spaghetti?
Tuna.
Tuna spaghetti. They didn't want to make chicken spaghetti. So it's almost 5 o'clock. This place is about to close. So if we don't get over there, we won't be able to finish that spaghetti. Well, I take that back. We can fire up the barbecue grill. Baby, if we're not back in 1 hour, this is what I want you to do, okay? Just wait longer. All right, ready? You ready to go, Maria? All right, let's go pick this up. Bring it with us. Let's go. $11.50. Okay, go, Maria. Careful. All right, so 1150, 1150 on 11.8 kilograms of gas.
I got your change.
You got my change?
Yeah.
Well, put it in my wallet right here. Hey. Let my change come back to my pocket. Gracias, 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 gracias. Is it bumpy? All right, roll strong. Look at this. I got one on the wheel. Wait, the canoe is the heavy one?
Yeah.
What about the Filipinas?
No, I'm not heavy. Maria's not heavy. The driver's not heavy. You're the one who's heavy.
No, you're heavy, and I'm not heavy, and Papa's not heavy.
Who's the big one?
You.
Oh!
Because you're taller.
You're Jenny's father.
Kuya Jajan's father? Oh, okay. Ayaw!
It almost scared me one. Ouch.
Whatever it takes to accomplish the mission. Luckily, it's not raining. It looks like it could come a flood at any moment, but really we just got that 10 minutes of rain today. There's a little bit of sprinkling going on. Just didn't have any rope or bungee cord or anything to tie this thing down, so just put a death grip on it. Don't let it roll out the back. I'm not sure if this method of transportation is OSHA approved or not. I think you're supposed to transport propane accessories in an upright position. I'm not sure. I'm not an expert on propane accessories. We got this ride back here drafting. Oh, comes and takes us down on the inside. Lance Armstrong for the win. Oh no! Oh, almost took out the pretty lady. Hey, once you get that momentum going, especially when you got two heavy Filipinas on board.
No, I'm not heavier.
Who's heavy?
Aren't they?
Only Ate? Wah, wah, wah.
Because she's older.
What about Papa? Papa's not heavy, huh?
You're not heavy.
What about
melting?
What about the propane tank?
Huh? The gas is not heavier, Dad.
Okay.
Only at the melting.
Maria, be nice. My goodness.
They're funny.
Yeah, Ate is funny, huh?
No, they're funny kids, right?
Yeah.
They always stick beside ya.
And we're on a downhill slope. Lance Armstrong picking them up, putting them down.
Daddy, Corey have a Hello Kitty pillow, right?
Cause I've been jet flying, limousine riding with my love. Woo, Daddy, you messing with the nature boy. Got 11.8 kilograms worth of gas on board. So Filipino wife number 2 can finish the spaghetti.
Spaghetti?
The tuna spaghetti.
Daddy, is he on spaghetti, Daddy?
Hey, we got chicken, but they didn't want chicken spaghetti. I said, alright, fire up the tuna. What do you mean what happened? The gas place was closed. We couldn't get any gas.
What?
The gas place was over there, buddy. Alright, over there, that gate. I don't got a key for this gate. I ain't even got a key for my own crib. Thank you, man. I'll take it from here. Alright.